Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix McDonald's app when basket is not showing and resolve cart on checkout issue quickly.
Step 1. Restart the app, close the app completely, reopen it and tap the basket cart icon. Step 2. Clear cache, data Android. Settings apps McDonald's. Storage clear cache and data. iPhone. Delete and reinstall the app. Step 3. Check internet, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Switch networks if needed. Step 4. Refresh store location, tap the selected restaurant at the top. Pick a different location if the current one is offline. Step 5. Log out and back in Go to account. Sign out, then log back in. Step 6. Update the app, go to App Store, Google Play and update the McDonald's app.